It's the best feeling ever. Oh, I got a really big chunk. Happy holidays, Mother Truckers! I'm Jackie, and this is Jackie's Kitchy Kitchen. And if you're wondering what your elf on a shelf is doing, well, it clicked on this video and now you're watching. Yay! So obviously, I'm decked out for the holidays. Fa la 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 la, motherfuckers. Haha, I got to use my one F word. That's my Christmas gift and my joy. Joy to the world. It's Christmas time! Let's go! So what kind of spiritual, ritualistic holiday food are we making today? Well, I thought of Turkish delights, but we've already had turkey. And then I thought of gingerbread men. Eat me! But I'm no longer ginger or a man, although I did have some man in me just a little while ago. I decided we're going to make my favorite dessert, mashed potatoes.
I think you have that the wrong way around.
So for this holiday season, because we don't really care to watch our waistline, we're gonna avoid measuring.
Oh, thank God.
Which is great, because mashed potatoes, you don't really have to measure things out. You can kind of eyeball it. It's more like a texture if you want cream, if you want it chunky, if you want it nice and firm, like a baby kitten. So here we go. We're going to prep our potatoes, we're going to prep our garlic, and we're going to prep our green onion, and everything else can go fuck itself. The great thing about mashed potatoes is you just need a few simple ingredients. Primarily you need potatoes, boil and match them, stick them in a stew. You need garlic. Anyone who says otherwise should be arrested on sight. You'll need sour cream, the more sour the better, and salt. Now, other things that I like to put in are some butter, some milk, some onion powder, and maybe some garlic powder, and some green onion. The great thing about mashed potatoes is you can make it however way you like. You can have whatever you like. I once read on Reddit that someone made mashed potatoes with raisins. Ooh, I heard it through the grapevine. I hear they're dead now.
But did you die?
So while our water is boiling, we're going to prep our mashed potatoes and our garlic, but first we're going to start peeling. And don't worry, I did check every single potato. None of them look like Jesus.
I know him.
I'd make a skinning joke about potatoes, but I don't want it to come across appealing. Potatoes. Look at this. Got a little brown butt. Needs to wipe more.
Wipe, wipe, wipe.
And then I'm gonna slice you in half. Doot, doot. There we go. Just the way Jesus wanted you to.
What would Jesus do? He'd get fucked up, yeah!
Okay, now before we continue on with our garlic and our green onion, we're going to plop these guys into the water because it is already starting to boil. But we're going to be very, very careful because it is hot, hot, hot.
Feeling hot, hot, hot.
Spoon!
Spoon!
So I have these really, really tiny cut up because I don't want to wait. I'm a little impatient like that. Get the fuck down here, you bitch.
What are you calling me a bitch for?
While we're waiting for our potatoes to boil, we're going to take our garlic. We're just gonna smash them on there like so. Then we're going to peel them like a banana.
Banana.
Now normally you would use a garlic mincer, but we're gonna chop things up because I get to use a knife and no one can stop me.
Stop me now.
All right, choppity chop, chop, chop. 'Tis the season to chop garlic, da 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 da. Now if you're wondering how much garlic to put in, I would say a good reasonable goal is if it gives you heartburn, it might be just a touch too much. It's not even mashed potatoes at this point, it's just mashed garlic. Can't help it, I don't make the rules, I just create them. This is why you use a mincer, but I decided to do things the choppy way. So the next thing we have to cut up is our green onion. We're gonna take all of our bottom pieces and we're gonna shake them to the bottom. Oh, shake, shake, shake. That's where all the icky wicky ones are.
Wicka, 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 what?
All right, we're gonna set those aside. They're no longer a part of our concern. Then we're gonna do the other side. And we're just gonna turn her over because I guess I'm right-handed today.
You sure about that?
There's a little buggy. Oh my God. What? There's a bug. Oh, I see you again.
I got him!
Then the rest goes into our mashed potatoes.
You like potatoes, and I like potatoes.
There we go. Cool. This is a lot of green onion. I'm just gonna put you in this nice little happy bowl of happy magic.
I'm happy!
Cooking during the holidays while sober sucks, man.
That was not sober behavior.
Then we just wait for the potatoes. That's literally it. So now our potatoes are fully drained and we're gonna put them in our bowl. This is a glass bowl. I put in a few little hot potatoes in there.
Hot potato, hot potato.
So that way it would help warm up our glass so that way we can reduce the risk of cracking. Now we're gonna take our little wooden spoon. We're just gonna put them in little by little. See how it's already breaking apart? We love that.
I love that.
I feel like a witch. I am still gonna put it in slowly just because I don't fuck around with glass. I don't need to die in a kitchen.
You should be so lucky.
We're gonna take our mashed potato masher, mashing all the potatoes that are ghosts.
There's no such thing.
We're just going to mash a little bit, just what's on the bottom. Look how quick that shit is. I just keep adding more and more until I can't anymore. Also going to add a little bit of sour cream, just a smidge of sour cream. Oh dear, there it goes. Dang it. Dab, just a tiny touch. Just a gentle smidgen.
How do you spell that?
Look at that, it's already getting there. Load more potato. More potato. 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 Lots and lots of glorious potato. That's what we like for Christmas. We like potato. Lots and lots of potato.
I don't like potatoes.
Just keep smashing. Just keep smashing. Smashing, smashing. What do we do? Do, 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 do. Smash, smash, smash. Smash, smash, smash. Smash the potato.
I'm gonna dip this potato in some crushed Vicodin.
And while we're at it, we're going to add some garlic. Just a smidge. Just so that way the potato doesn't feel lonely. I've been looking forward to this all year. Christmas mashed potatoes. Sounds like something else.
Sounds like everyone's having a good time.
More. Get them all in there. Make it weird.
We can do that.
Going. That's the magic of Christmas.
Christmas magic.
Christmas magic.
This time of year.
Okay, stop.
Now we're gonna put in some onion. Why not? It's Christmas time. You can do what the fuck you want. Oh yeah, she's getting real saucy.
You saucy little devil.
Gonna put more. This is all the potato. All the potato and all the land. And we're gonna put some salt. And we're gonna keep on mashing. Oh, I just need to stretch this arm out a little bit.
Stretch, Norma, stretch.
She's getting real creamy. We like that.
Oh my God, so creamy.
So we might not need the milk. If you want creamy, like really, really creamy, you're gonna wanna add some milk to it. But if you want something that's more on the chunky side,
Chunky!
then don't add any milk. Just keep using sour cream. And if I really wanna, I can add these two in it, but I'm not gonna. Because I think I might have enough. We're gonna put in the rest of our garlic. And we're gonna put in the rest of the green onion. There we go. Now, we're just gonna mix it up. Num num num, num num num, num 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 num, num 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 num. And we're going to put some butter to make it a little bit more creamy. And now we're gonna make the magic happen.
Magic, 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 magic.
Now we're gonna do a little bit of a test, see if I need more anything else extra. It does need more salt, like an offensive amount of salt.
I'm offended.
So don't look, boys and girls. Oh my God, there's so much mashed potatoes. I think I made almost 5 pounds of mashed potatoes here,
Wow, that's a lot of potatoes.
which is great because I can share that with friends. It's funny because I still think it could use a little bit more garlic.
I hate garlic.
Oh yeah, that's way better now. Oh yeah. Oh, we're ready for Christmas, baby. Obviously, there's no recipe on this, but let me know how your potatoes go. Oh my God, I'm gonna eat the fuck out of you. I know I'm gonna pay for this, but I'm not gonna be around people for the next 3 days, so load it up, IBS.
IBS runs rampant in our family.
One of the great perks about having your own cooking show is you get to lick your own utensils. This is a very fun, sound-heavy episode.
Do you want to do some ASMR?
So now that you've got the best mashed potatoes for this holiday season, go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, share it with anybody who gives a flying fuck about mashed potatoes. We fucking deserve it. All right, time to gift wrap my mashed potatoes. I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday season from Jackie's Kitchy Kitchen and from the Cosmo Network, and I will see you guys next year. Oh yes, but until I wrap you, you will be inside my belly. And down my butt. And in the toilet, and then you're somebody else's problem.